Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Class 4, take out your social study notebook. It's our 12th lecture, so in this lecture, we will do copy work. First of all, you have to draw margin lines, then you have to write date, school work, and subject name. Then you have to write lesson 3, the land and people of Pakistan. Our contents is words meanings, dictation words, choose the correct phrase, and questions answers. Our question number first is write down meanings. Words meaning. First word is irrigation, meaning is aap pashi. Second word is significant, meaning is ahem. Third word is vast, meaning is wasi. Fourth word is tourist, meaning is siyah. Fifth word is vegetation, meaning is podo ya nabatiyat. Sixth word is limestone, meaning is chuna. Seventh word is plentiful, meaning is bharpoor. Eighth word is suitable, meaning is munasib. Ninth word is causing, meaning is sabab. 10th word is coastal, meaning is sahili. 11th word is northern, meaning is shumali. 12th word is nomadic, meaning is khana badosh. 13th word is cultivate, meaning is kasht karna. 14th word is minerals, meaning is madiniyat. 15th word is canals, meaning is nehre. 16th word is graze, meaning is charana. 17th word is livelihood, meaning is rosy. 18th word is deforestation, meaning is जंगलात की कटाई. Our question number 2 is dictation words. First word is nomadic. Second word is vegetation. Third word is mining. And fourth word is cultivate. Our question number 3 is choose the correct phrase to complete each sentences below. First sentence is there are very little rain in the. Our option is option A mountains areas, option B plateaus areas. The correct option is option B plateaus areas. Write plateaus areas in this sentence and also put a tick on option B. Our second sentence is people in the mountain areas are engaged in option A industrial activities, option B farming. The correct answer is option B farming. Third sentence is many people in plateau area are employed in. Our option is option A factories and refineries, option B hotels and restaurants. The correct answer is option A factories and refineries. Our fourth sentence is the plateau area is rich in. The option is minerals and option B is fresh water and fishes. The correct answer is option A minerals. is many people living in the coastal areas are engaged in the dash industry. Our option is option A, textile, option B, fishing. The correct answer is fishing. Our fourth and last question is questions answers. Question number 1 is name the natural resources found in the areas named below. Our areas are Gilgit-Baltistan and their natural resources are water, forest, land and minerals. Second area is desert. Their natural resources are coal, gas and oil. Third area is coastal areas and their natural resources are water and fish. Fourth areas is plateaus and their natural resources are water, oil, gas and minerals. Fifth area is delta and their natural resources is water and fish. Our question number 2 is list the most common professions practiced in the different areas. The answer is the professions in the different areas are named below. First area is mountains and their professions are terrace farming and tourism. Second area is coastal areas and their professions are small scale agriculture and fishing. Third area is delta and their profession is agriculture and fishing. Fourth area is desert and their profession is small scale agriculture, cattle farming. Our fifth area is the Indus Plain and their profession is agriculture and industry. At the end of the exercise, you have to draw finishing line.